Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing really well and having a good week so far. Welcome to music. We're going to start off by just reminding you that when you do this session, make sure you've got a little bit of space around you to move around. You don't have to have a huge amount of space, just a little bit of space for you to move around. The second thing is that you are going to need some kind of sound maker. I've got my tambourine with me here today, and this tambourine has a skin on top, so I can play it in a couple of different ways. But you might have a different musical instrument, or you might have your own sound maker that you've made, or maybe something that you've found that can make a sound. So when you've got all of these things, you are ready to start. Let's see if we can warm up our bodies by moving them to the beat of the drum. Let's start with our shoulders first. Ready? Off we go. And let's move it to our heads now. Ready, steady, here we go. And let's move it to our feet now. Here we go. And let's move it to our arms. Ready? Here we go. And let's go back to our shoulders. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, stop. Well done if you managed that. So, my turn first and then your turn. My turn. Well done if you managed. My turn and then your turn. We're going to make those clapping patterns twice as long. So rather than being 4 beats, they're going to be 8 beats long this time. My turn first, and then I'll show you when it's your turn by pointing towards you like this. My turn first. My turn. My turn, last one. All right, well done everyone. So I'm going to ask you a question and you're going to say, yes we have, yes we have. My turn first. Have you bought your talking voice? Yes we have. Have you bought your whispering voice? Have you bought your low voice? Have you bought your high voice? Have you bought your robot voice? Have you bought your scared voice? Have you bought your singing voice? Well done. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. My turn. Wash your face with orange juice. 1, 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Wash your face with orange juice. Clean your teeth with bubble gum. 1, 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Wash your face with orange juice. Clean your teeth with bubble gum. Brush your hair with a toothbrush. 1, 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Wash your face with orange juice. Clean your teeth with bubble gum. Brush your hair with a toothbrush. Fix the fence with sticky tape. 1, 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Well done if you managed to join in with Mr. Clickety's song. He is very silly, Mr. Clickety. Now this time I wonder if you can join in with the my turn, your turn bit. So when I point to me and I might sing, wash your face with orange juice. When I then point to you, it's your turn to sing, wash your face with orange juice. Let's see if we can try that, shall we? Just by itself. My turn and then your turn. My turn first. Wash your face with orange juice. So each of the actions as we go through the song is going to be my turn and then your turn. Let's see if we can do it, shall we? Off we go when Mr. Clickety came. He played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Wash your face with orange juice. 1, 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Wash your face with orange juice. Clean your teeth with bubble gum. 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Wash your face with orange juice. Clean your teeth with bubble gum. Brush your hair with a toothbrush. 1, 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Wash your face with orange juice. Clean your teeth with bubble gum. Brush your hair with a toothbrush. Fix the fence with sticky tape. 1, 2, 3. When Mr. Clickety came, he played a silly game. All the kids in the street, they like to do the same. Well done if you managed to have a go at doing that. Now we're going to move on to our song Down the Road. So will you please stand up? Let's see if you can move your feet to the beat. Step, 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 step. Keep those feet going to the steady beat as we sing. Ready, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Well done if you managed it. This time, shall we see if we can go on our tiptoes? Ready? Tiptoe, 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 tiptoe. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. This time we're going to do a slower, steady beat. So can you go step, 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 step. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Okay, let's see if we can try a faster, steady beat. Can you go step, 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 step. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Well done if you managed that. Right, will you please sit down? We're going to have a quick go at our song, Ooh a Lay Lay. So this song is my turn, then your turn, and you just sing back to me exactly what I sing to you. So my turn first. Ooh a lay lay. Ooh a lay lay. Malatika tamba. Malatika tamba. Ooh-a-lay, maloo-a, maloo-way. Ooh-a-lay, maloo-a, maloo-way. Well done if you managed it. This time I'm going to sing the song in different ways. I wonder if you can copy back exactly how I sing it. My turn first. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Malatika tamba. Malatika tamba. Ooh-a-lay, maloo-a, maloo-way. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Malatika tamba. Malatika tamba. Ooh-a-lay, maloo-a, maloo-way. Well done if you managed to join in. During that song, I was singing the song in two different ways. I wonder if you know two words that could describe those ways. And they are a pair of opposites. So one is the opposite of the other. I wonder if you know which words I'm thinking of. Maybe you want to pause the video for a second just to have a think. If you're ready, then let me tell you that was quiet and loud. Quieter and louder are opposites of each other. Let's try that song one more time in two different ways, and these two ways are also opposites. Ready? My turn first. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Malatika tamba. Malatika tamba. Ooh-a-lay, maloo-a, maloo-way. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Ooh-a-lay-lay. Malatika tamba. Malatika tamba. Ooh-a-lay, maloo-a, maloo-way. Okay, hopefully you worked out the opposites that I was doing in that song. If you would like a minute or so just to think, you can pause the video. If not, you might have noticed that I was doing a slow and a quick version of the song. So slower and quicker are also opposites of each other. Let's finish off our songs for today with our song Ecta Shooter Angle. Do you remember what the word in our song for one is? It is ecta. How about two? Two is dueta. How about three? Three is tita. How about four? Four is citer. And five is faster. Let's try it through from the beginning. Hopefully we can all join in with this one. Off we go, Actor, shooter, angle, actor, shooter, angle, actor, shooter, angle, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them in your lap, lap, lap. Do it a suitor angle, do it a suitor angle, do it a suitor angle, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them in your lap, lap, lap. Teeter suitor angle, teeter suitor angle, teeter suitor angle, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them in your lap, lap, lap. Side to suitor angle, side to suitor angle, side to suitor angle, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them in your lap, lap, lap. Faster suitor angle, faster suitor angle, faster suitor angle, tap, tap, tap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, and put them in your lap, lap, lap. Well done if you managed that one. Let's just remind ourselves quickly, shall we, of our different words for the different numbers. So 1 is hectare, 2 is dueter, 3 is teeter, 4 is citer, and 5 is faster. Well done if you remembered those. Let's have a go now at some of our different pitches. So I've got my ukulele with me again today, and we're going to hear 4 different pitches on the ukulele, which is also the same number as the number of strings on my ukulele. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 strings on my ukulele, and we're going to hear 4 pitches. These are our lower sound, our middle lower sound, our middle higher sound, and our higher sound. Let's see if we can have a go at showing with our hands the difference between all of those sounds. I'm going to go quite fast today, so make sure you're really listening. Okay, well done if you managed to join in with those. This time I'm only going to do one play of each of my ukulele strings, so you're only going to hear the sound once. You need to be listening really carefully. See if this time you can still manage to show with your hands which sound is which. Well done if you managed that as well. So it's time for me to put my ukulele down. How many strings does it have? Can you remember? You might be able to count from there. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 strings on my ukulele. Okay, so today we're going to have a think about our song that we've been doing for quite a while now, which is Down the Road. This is the bit where you're going to need your musical instruments or sound makers. So if you need to pause the video and go and grab those to get them nearer to you, then please do it now. If you are ready, we are going to see if we can find the steady beat of our song. So that's the pulse. And the pulse of the song stays the same the whole way through the song. That's why it's called the steady beat, because it's always steady. So let's see if we can have a go at tapping the pulse, not too hard on our chests. And we're going to sing our song over the top. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Let's see if we can do it one more time. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Okay, this time we're going to put it onto our instruments or sound makers. So let's get our steady beat going. And we go down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Let's keep our steady beat going. Have one more time. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Well done if you managed it now. That's the pulse or the steady beat of our song. We're going to try the rhythm now, which is the pattern of the words. We're going to clap the rhythm today. Off we go, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Let's see if we can clap the rhythm together one more time, and then we'll try it on our instruments. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Okay, let's try it on our instruments now. Here we go. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Let's try it one last time on our instruments. Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Well done if you managed that. Now, shall we see if we can practice the ostinato pattern that we learned last week? Do you remember what the ostinato pattern was? Have a quick think, and if you want to pause the video to think, you can. Let me remind you. So the ostinato pattern was the repeating pattern, which was down the road, down the road, down the road, down the road. And we had two groups of singing last week. We had one group that was doing down the road, one group that was doing the whole song. We're going to have a go at putting that together today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing the ostinato pattern, And I'm going to say that whoever does that one can keep going with that one. And then the second bit, when we sing the whole song, I'll start that as well, and then we'll tell you how to work it out. So I know it might seem a bit complicated at the moment, but let's all start off by singing the ostinato pattern all together. Off we go, down the road, 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 down the road. I'm going to sing the ostinato pattern again, and this time I wonder if you can sing the whole song, which includes the bit that goes, everybody walk together down the road. We're going to do it twice through. So I'm going to do the ostinato, the repeating pattern. You're going to do the whole song that we know already. Ready, steady, off we go, down the road, 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 down the road. Well done if you managed to have a go. Now I'm going to swap and do the opposite part. I'm going to have a go at doing the whole thing. I would love it if you could do the ostinato. So that's the repeating pattern that we just had a go at there. Down the road, down the road. And I'll show you with my hands the different pitches that you're singing. They're not the ones that I'm singing. Let's see if we can try, shall we? Ready, steady, off we go. Down the road, down the road. Keep going. Everybody walk together down the road, down the road, down the road. Everybody walk together down the road. Hopefully that made sense, and hopefully you had an idea of what those two parts sound like when they're put together. Maybe this week you can practice singing those different parts, and maybe if there's someone else that you live with that you can teach the song to, you could try singing the ostinato part and the verse part together at the same time so you can hear what the song sounds like. Have fun and see you soon. Bye.